You think you understand how a zipper works. Go ahead, explain it. In 2002, psychologists at Yale ran a simple study. They asked people to rate how well they understood everyday objects. A zipper, a toilet, a bicycle. Confidence was high across the board. Then they asked people to actually explain the mechanism step by step. Confidence collapsed. Immediately. Almost everyone realized they had been carrying the feeling of understanding without any of the actual content. The researchers called it the illusion of explanatory depth. And here is where it gets uncomfortable. The same illusion runs even deeper on the things that matter most: your political beliefs, your relationships, your sense of who you are. These are the areas where people feel the most certain and get questioned the least. That combination is dangerous, because certainty without understanding does not make you confident. It makes you wrong in ways you cannot see. The fix is simple, but most people avoid it. Try to explain what you believe out loud, in detail, to someone who will push back. The gaps will find you fast.